Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can sign in into the Shein account of yours. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Shein application first. Once you're at this page, you need to go and tap on me on bottom right. Then you need to tap on register/sign-in. Tap that. And there for the sign in, you need to provide your mobile number or the email address. If you have used your phone number, you type in your phone number. But if you have used the email address, you type in the email address. You can also log in with Google and Facebook. That is, only if you have opened your account through Google or Facebook, you can do this. So type in the email address. Then tap on continue. Now provide the password. Tap on sign in. And just with that, you will be signed in into this Shein account of yours. So this is a way how you can easily sign in into the Shein account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.